Welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process of allocating budgets to accounts. But first off, a little bit of context. To run successful campaigns, it is essential to allocate a budget to your account. To ensure your campaign effectively reaches your target audience, it's crucial to have sufficient funds available for its execution. Allocating balances to individual accounts will help you effectively monitor your overall expenditures and keep track of individual company account financial information. You must first go to the main menu and select the Company Home module. Click over Balance from the submenu. To find the account you want to top up, you have two options. You can either scroll through the list of your created accounts, or use the search bar in the upper right-hand corner and enter the account's name. Next, click on the Assign Balance button within the Accounts card. A pop-up window will appear where you can view the current balance for the account you wish to top up. In the next slot, you can choose the account from which you want to transfer funds to assign to this account. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the available balance in that account, as well as the amount of money that is on hold. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from one account to the other. Please ensure that the amount you specify is either equal to or less than the available balance. Click Assign Balance to initiate the transfer. A pop-up window will appear in the bottom left-hand corner to confirm that the transaction was successful. The updated balance is immediately displayed in the account balance card. And that's the end of our budget allocation tutorial. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and we hope you have an amazing day.